because today in the daytime I was working on completely different thing. And yeah, this I think this 1 hour can be spent for next 1 week on building this, which is not super fun as per the thing which we are building, but yeah, this will help a lot. This is day 27. We can open it here, and this could be day 28. Yes, this is day 28. Okay, and we can remove this part and maybe save this part and maybe run this part and pop out the chat. A little bit of, hey Hind, welcome. You're quick. Nice, thank you for joining in. What's going on? How's your Tuesday? I had a traumatic experience today. How are you? I'm good now. But today was Tuesday. It's kind of my water fast, but I was like so weak today to take that. So I ate something in the day, like kind of not took the fast. And then also it's like Navratri going on. And I ordered something from outside for dinner. And Zomato served me something with chicken in it. And I had like a long argument with their support team. I got like I'm like pretty sensitive on this part when I'm specifically on this week and this day. I mean, what are the odds? So that made it much worse for me. But yeah, let's just start off with the music. Where is this epidemic sounds? Okay. A test was there in my college. Wow, how it went? Why is the AC not working? It's done at 26. Okay. We'll make a new. Let's make a new. Damn, you must have never expected that. Yeah, I mean, I did not. I ordered like a kadai paneer or something and it was chicken. I took one bite from that gravy and man, I was like, no, bro. And then I shouted at the customer executive of Zomato because they were saying like, we apologize. I said, I don't need an apology. I need some action to be taken for this kind of negligence because this cannot be just a sorry, right? Just do something. Tell these guys of these restaurants not to do such kind of negligence in future. It was pretty good. Nice. Good to know. Expo. Okay, so both of our bots are fighting again. I'm going through Expo docs. We have to set up create Expo latest. Hey Harshit, howdy. You're back in home? Well, we can take it at CD document coding / Divyanshu project. And we can say, yeah, we can make it here. Create Expo latest. Yes. What is the name of your app? This is or we can say guinea pig app. Guinea pig app. This is our guinea pig. Okay, so let's do npm run iOS. Okay. Clear ls cd guinea pig app ls. It's npm run iOS. Hint, yes, man. Think of the people who are pure vegetarians. If something like this happens to them, they would just straight up delete the app. I am vegetarian. That's what happened. Like, that was so irritating to me because I'm a vegetarian and my options like are always green in the app. I never expected this to happen with me. And that's what the customer executive was telling me. Divyanshu, I can understand. I'm also vegetarian and I know how heartbreaking it must be. I said, I don't care about your apology, man. Like, take some action with this restaurant. They should not be such negligent on these. I can understand when I am too. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Continue, reload. Okay, so our first Expo based React Native app is here. Okay, it's starting on Expo. Okay, 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 okay. So what we can do is maybe in item, let's do one thing. CD documents, Divyanshu projects, guinea pig app. Here we will run Claude. Yes, proceed. Can you change the main screen of the app to just show black screen, black color background, and title of the app in white as guinea pig app with subtitle in white and smaller fonts as this app is a guinea pig app to test our SDK. Let's see. But we need action. Yes. Yeah. So I told her, like, don't apologize to me. Loop me into some sort of communication, what kind of actions you are taking. But because what they can do is like they'll say, yeah, I will take some action, and they'll just forget about it because they have to maintain their restaurant relations, they have to maintain their client relations. So I said, if you will not loop me in what kind of action you have taken, I will be posting about this incident on socials. And as you know, this is Navratri time. This will not go well. So yeah, just take this action. Negligence like this should not be tolerated because I was like little bit like it was not good feeling for me. I was about to eat it. Ashit, you should take legal action. I mean, yeah, I won't like. She was saying we will give you some credits. I said I don't need any credits. I just need that the restaurant should know that they have done some negligence, and they should like do something. Tell them in return that this kind of behavior will downgrade your ranking or something. I don't care. They should know some consequences so they never repeat it. Take it very seriously next time. Samir, sub bro, sub Samir, how are you, man? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining. Try Claude Doctor. Okay, let's see if Claude Doctor can fix. Let it run. Oh, by the way, my payment is enabled now. I got the physical. Where is it? I have thrown it. So I got the physical envelope for to validate my address. So my payment, like my monetization of my YouTube channel, was paused from last I think 2 or 3 weeks, and today I got that pin. Everything is sorted. So just for fun, I will just run one super chat goal. and let's see if it gets done. It's okay if it doesn't. I will be smiling. Modifying main screen background. Why is it taking so long? By the way, any of you have played Red Dead Redemption? I'm playing that game today, like these days, from last 2-3 days. But I didn't know monetization was. Yeah, it was. It was. So all the membership and everything was paused. I got an email today that everything is resumed now. So hopefully things are back to normal. Okay, this has been done. And let's see if how Goose is working. I heard it is goated RDR2. Yeah, I'm playing RDR2 only. Yes. Is it RDR1 or RDR2? Let me check. Red Dead Redemption. Yeah, this is the one I'm playing. Yes, it's 2. I'm playing the 2. So I'm in the snow age right now. Like everything is snowy. I want to reach to a stage where I am in this kind of environment. Here. So Driscoll. Yesterday I have captured Driscoll. We went and we fought with one gang. We captured one guy, like I captured him. And after that, now we got a map to loot a train. So from today I will resume jumping on a train, and now we have to loot that train. That's the next task. Sam, hey, how's 4.5 Claude? Hey Sam, I did try it a little bit in the morning. To be honest, I didn't feel like these days it's very hard to tell any difference, to be honest, because the changes are so minuscule. I think it just moved from 74% to 77%. Now how to know this 3% gain? So to be honest, I didn't get any experience as such in just one day. Maybe by using it like more, I will find something. Hint, heard a lot about RDR2, but I never tried. Yeah, I'll keep sharing my experience, how it goes. Today I have to loot the train. After this stream, I'm going and looting a train. Samir, do you watch anime dev? Sadly, no, but so many of my friends have told me to watch anime, and I have started to think about it a little bit stronger now. I'm thinking to start with Attack on Titans, but I can't find any good place where I can watch them unless I download it from torrent, because I want to watch it on my iPhone or my laptop, and I don't want to be honest, I don't want to download it via torrent. So if you can suggest me any good website where it is, it's not on Netflix, it's not on Hotstar, it's not on Prime. So yeah. And how's the story of the game? It's pretty good. Like it feels like I'm watching a movie and I'm part of that movie. So far we are a gang, we are just surviving in the wild, we are looting places. Yeah, it's just slowly the story is building. Dundun, you will be there by Act 2. How long is the Act 2? Like how long it will take for me to reach there? If you have played it, Dundun. Like, and by the way, hello. Yeah, hello to you too, man. Harshit, Rockstar Games stories are always epic. Yeah. I agree with that. Samir, AOT is dope, bro. Yeah. That's what I have heard. Like, as one of my friend who is also an indie hacker in Goa, he said like start with Attack on Titans. And one of my friend like previously told me to watch Death Note. But to be honest, I watched like 2-3 episodes of Death Note. I I didn't feel that kind of connection. I like more of like, where is something, I don't know, it felt very like, I don't know how to say that. Like, it felt for, I don't want to say for kids, but felt like college drama. Yes, because he was in college just killing people. Attack on Titan seems like very good to me. I've been a fan of Ghibli production movies a lot. I have watched almost all. Mm, where is our music? Music should not stop. By the way, guinea pig app is working. Uh, Sam, what happened? Food? Someone sold you the samosa? Kya like? Yeah, I mean, samosa was fine, but today I was hungry as like so much hungry in the evening, and I ordered from this random place, some tiffin Panjim, and the pictures were looking so nice of a kadhai paneer. And I thought, yes, I should order this, and I opened it so much hungry. I just opened and took one bite, and it was a fucking chicken piece. And it's Navratri going on these days. I'm like, bro, this is not cool. But yes, that's almost a story. Samir, watch here. Any watch. Ah, okay. Any watch. Is it like a pirates thing or something? Any watch. Thank you. Thank you. Do we have to pay here? Ah, okay. I get it. If it's redirecting to ads, then obviously it's a pirate website. Attack on Titans. Attack on Titan Chronicle. I don't want to watch Chronicle. Attack on Titan. Huh. This is also one of my problem. Which is the Attack on Titan? There are so many. I don't want to watch something which is not Attack on Titan. Season 2. Or maybe I should write season 1 on the search. Attack on Titan Season 1. Season 1 Part 1. Attack on Titan Final Season Part 1. No. Guys, I am very new to this website. How to find what I want to watch? So Samir, you help me. You can watch anything here, anytime, anyway. Oh wow, thank you Samir. Thank you so much for sharing this. I think this is what exactly I was looking for. Hind, how many FPS are you getting? Are you playing in your Mac? I'm playing it in my Steam Deck. Let me show you guys. Let me just quickly show you. It's here. This is the Steam Deck. I'm playing in it. I started. See, yesterday's mission, I have failed. And I have to start again. I have failed to loot the train. So these days I have started to also like not use my phone before sleeping. I got into this very bad habit, like I got into the drugs of reels. Like reels became such a addiction for me. I couldn't sleep and I was just swiping. One moment I'm emotional by looking at some animal reel. Second moment I'm smiling. Third moment I'm like grinning. And then fourth reel I'm angry. So all these emotion changes happening so rapidly, and this used to make my whole body give my body some sort of a shock. So I thought this is not healthy before sleeping. So I'm thinking like I'll put these like last 3 days I'm putting my phone in this desk only after the stream, and I pick my Steam Deck and just take it with me, play a game for 30 minutes, and then I just go and sleep. And yeah, on FPS I'm getting somewhere around 30 FPS on this one. It moves from 30 to 60. Like it fluctuates depending on the scene. Samir, I was class 8 when I watched Death Note and it was tense then, but bro, AOT will make you question reality. Oh wow. Yeah, this something's on the similar lines my friend told me. Is this Attack on Titan? Season 1. Okay, this is the one. So I just have to click on watch now. Okay. Good catch. So I will just put a bookmark of this. I'll pick it up before sleeping. Thank you, Samir, for this. Harshit, start with anime movies. That's also a good idea. Any good anime movie, Harshit? Sam, Attack on Titans is there in Prime. Additional sub needed. Is it like I checked on Prime? I think it was a movie. Like yesterday only, I was browsing. I hope I am not sharing any sensitive information here. 328,496. Attack on Titan. Yeah, I think Attack on Titan is a movie here. This one. This is a movie. Oh, it's not a movie. It's a season. The first season. I have no idea. What is this? Is it a season? It's an episode because I can only see one season here. There are episodes, but there are only 8 episodes, season 1. So where is the season 2 here? I mean, the cost is pretty decent, like 39 rupees per month. Makes sense because I have the Prime app as well. The good part is I can download them if they are in the app, so I can even watch them if I'm traveling. But yeah, guys, let me know. Samir, I think you are the guy who knows more about this kind of stuff. Is this the season which I'm trying to watch? And is there only one season on Prime? Otherwise, I'll watch in that only. Abdul, hello. Hey, Abdul, hello, man. How are you? Sam, also try One Punch Man, Demon Slayer. Oh yeah, I have heard about One Punch Man as well. Nice. Thank you, Sam. Sure, I'll give it a try. So I'm just starting my journey of anime. People have said like there is so much content on anime that I'm missing out on so much. Maybe this is the start of that. Samir, third one, bro. Okay. Playing RDR2 in Steam Deck looks cool. Yeah, it's like fun because I don't have to do a lot of setup. Just it's kind of like playing in a mobile only, but with more like gaming joystick and everything. Sam, you guys don't know how scared he is of scary movies. No way he finished AOT. Is it horror based? I will not even look into it then. Guys, I don't watch horror movies. I don't want to put anything in my brain which makes me question my surrounding before sleeping. So I watch only comedy, fantasy, sci-fi, romantic movies. This is the only categories I pick before sleeping. Samir, Grave of Fireflies, have you watched? No, not yet. Grave of Fireflies. Oh shit, yes, this movie I wanted to watch, but someone said it's so sad that only watch it when you are like emotionally strong enough. I was like, when is the day when I want to like sit and cry watching a movie? So that's why I have like put it on pause. So I wanted to watch this, but I could not because someone wrote a very, very heartwarming note about this movie. It's very sad, right? This movie. Any movies, Your Name, Graveyard of Fireflies. Your Name. I haven't even watched Your Name. Oh, there is this song, ta-na-na-na, ta-na-ta-na, something like that. It's a very famous song. Is it like a romantic one? Romantic anime? Hmm. The good thing then is, I think your name is on Netflix. I can watch it in Netflix. Is it like some copyright issue if I open Netflix here? Your name. Grave of Fireflies is here, which is definitely I wanted to watch. It's not here. Yeah, I will. I'll pick these now. Thank you guys. Oh, meanwhile, I should just give some other command to it. So guinea pig app is here. Can you add a circular button in red color with a question mark at the bottom right corner of the screen? When we press this button, for now I want to show an alert box. That's it. How is doing? Fine. Your account is suspended. Please check your plan and billing details. Type exceeded current quota error. What the hell? Is my Moonshot API finished? Finally. Moonshot AI. Moonshot AI dashboard platform. Console. These two must watch. Cool. Where can I watch your name? Graveyard of Fireflies is definitely already in my watch list. Samir, One Piece is crazy, but I won't ask you to watch 1100 plus episodes. Okay. 1100 plus episodes. Oh, my lucky day. My $15 which I uploaded on Moonshot are finally finished. So we have to recharge. Let's recharge with $20 today. What is the 4725? This one. 849152. Okay, we have $20. We can start, I think. Wait. Can you add? So Moonshot worked for me for last 2-3 months in $15, which is a pretty good deal. It does a lot of good things at a very fraction of its cost. Sam, it's a messed up series. बेचारा वेजिटेरियन got traumatized with कढ़ाई चिकन उसका IoT देखने बोल रहे हैं. The menu they eat there. I mean, I'm okay with that. I'm just not okay with those haunted music and scary, like those scare jump scenes. I don't like them. Samir, likewise, I don't like horror movies. Yeah, man, same. I stopped watching horror movies like I think when I was in like college. So there's this scary incident which happened. True story. I was in my I was living like in my PG, and in my second year, my brothers used to watch this series which is like two brothers who catch ghosts, something like that. I forgot the name of it, Supernaturals or something. And it's not that scary as well. So I also started watching it, and I used to watch it before sleeping every day. And then there was one episode which was a bit scary. I slept that night alone in my room, and at night around 2 a.m. I felt someone was sitting on my chest and like pressing on my like neck, literally, like I felt this way. And I opened my eyes. I could see the room, and I could not move my body. And then I found out like this is technically, like scientifically, this happens when you are in this state of your brain is woken up but your body is not. This is normal, like when your brain is too active and you sleep. This is called, there's one name of this thing, someone will comment it for sure. It's very common. What it is called? Lucid dreaming. Yeah, it's lucid dreaming, when you know you are dreaming but you are also awake. So I reached to this stage, but when this first time this happened, I got paranoid. What's happening? And I thought, and after that, I got conscious, like in my state, I opened my lights and all. I sat uh, on my bed, and I turned on lights, and I couldn't sleep after that. It was so scary for me. And I thought, man, I'm never watching horror movies again. And that's the day I decided I will not watch horror movies. And to be honest, that kind of incident never happened to me after that. I'm not like scared living alone now. I can travel alone, and all those negative thoughts, I feel like whatever you put in your head, that's how the reality uh, becomes. And if I put, I'm kind of like person who, if watches too much some sort of content, like for example, if I'm watching a lot of comedy, I feel my life becomes a little bit comic. If I watch too much uh, dark humor, my life becomes a little bit dark humorish. And if I watch too much of horror, my life will become horror. So that's the reasoning behind not watching horror shows or horror movies. Here and there it's fine, but yeah, dedicatedly choosing to watch horror movies every day, nah. Titans can destroy a village. Oh, it's, yeah. I've seen. I've heard about it. I think I have seen first episode too, long back, like 2 3 years back. Bro, if you are into sci-fi, time travel, computers, which you are, watch Stains Gate. Bro, I'll cry. It's so crazy. Stains Gate. What is it? Why I haven't heard about it? Stains Gate. Okay. I started watching this new series which came on Netflix. I forgot its name. It was good. I don't know why I stopped watching it. Stains Gate. Okay, remind me again about this. Stains Gate. I'll definitely forget because there's too much. Like again, I'll go to this stage of analysis paralysis where I have so many options that I cannot decide what to pick. So that's why I have picked AOT for now. So what AOT? Attack on Titans for now. Romantic plus sci-fi kind of. Samir, I mean, they got Sun, they got IBM old computer, sci-fi, time travel. Nice. My favorite romantic plus sci-fi movies is Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, Her, Stains Gate, etc. etc. Okay, so yeah, one of my favorite movies also Spotless Mind. This one, Eternal Sunshine. Jim Carrey, favorite. Her, obviously. We are living in a world where her is possible anytime, any moment. People are still trying to replicate that kind of tech. So yeah, we will be reaching there very soon, maybe next year. And Stains Gate I haven't seen. One of my favorite movie is fuck, I again forgot its name. It's by Jared Leto. Fuck, Jared Leto movie. It's very old movie, but it's one of my favorite. Mr. Nobody. I always forget its name. So Mr. Nobody is like again sci-fi, psychological, philosophical. This is like, if someone asks me what's your favorite movie, this is like my favorite movie, which I can watch anytime. Like if you want me to watch it again, I can watch it again. Not any other movie. I can watch like multiple times. Feature is added. Okay, so we have the question mark button. Now we need to add our SDK into it. Steins Gate being a movie anime. Okay. I mean, bro, don't pay on stream. We can see your CVV. It's fine. You don't know my card number, right? CVV is fine. Also, the card which I use online, this is another like tip I would give to everyone. I learned it the hard way. I pay for my online transactions from a card which does not have more than 10,000 rupees. So I refill it every month on the first month with 10,000 rupees, and that's the expense I pay online of all the bills. And that's the card which I use online, because I do not want to get unexpectedly, for example, my card is linked to Firebase and all those services. In case anything goes wrong with these services, anyone hacks into my server or anyone tries to rack up my bill, I will not be paying more than 10,000. And what happens, like let's suppose my Firebase got racked up with like 100,000 bill, or maybe 10 lakh rupees bill in the tomorrow morning. They can't deduct 10 lakh from my account because there is only 10,000 rupees in that account. The max they can deduct is 10,000. Meanwhile, I will report them that, hey, this is not me who used it. This is a hack which happened on my server. And generally these companies repay you back. Like this is the deal. Like it's okay. Like things can mess up. And instead of me asking for them to refund my money which they deducted, they will reach out to me, hey, you have to pay this much, and then I can argue with them that this is a hack which happened in my system, and yeah, just cut some slack. This is I learned the hard way in my previous company where I was working for. They gave us a technical card which had a lot of money in it, and someone hacked the OTP system, and they gave us a charge of like, we were paying $1,000 a day on that SMS hack which happened, and it took us one day to fix it. So we paid like $1,000 and it was deducted from our account. And then we found out like, okay, the best deal is we have to make a tech card which does not have more than $500 in case any such case happens in future. We will safeguard ourselves with just $500 will be paid. The services will be blocked because services cannot deduct more than that from our accounts. So yeah, this is a sweet deal if you guys are working with online services. Just use a proxy card and refill it by yourself every month. Do not connect your primary card on online services. Shubham, hello, bro. One question. Sure, Shubham. Real-time database or Firebase database? Firestore. Both are like made for completely different use case. If you want to have a properly structured data which you want to query a lot, then you have to use Firestore. But if you want something which just need to save something and fetch it from its address, for example, like you have an URL and you want to get just one JSON out of it, then use real-time database. Real-time databases are generally used when, like for example, if you're building a game where you want to have two coordinates of two users where they are in the game, and if I am playing it and my friend who is not here in a different city playing it, we need some sort of a server where we both are syncing our locations. In this case, real-time database is good because you are just sending your coordinate, your location of the game on this real-time database. Your friend is listening to that database, same route, and my friend's location is coming to me. I am listening to that node. So we are just listening to a single node and listening to their coordinates. In this case, real-time database works. But if you want to query it, like if you want to store something like a proper database, then use Firestore. 99% of the time you need Firestore database. Harshit, I saw someone behind you. Good one. To be honest, that scared me a little bit. I'll not lie. I'm Sam. Haha. Sleep paralysis. Yes, sleep paralysis. It's scary. Always happens in a negative state, new room or environment. Yeah, man. But that was not a new room where it happened to me. It was like I was living there for 1 year and I was watching all these like horror shows, and then it happened. Shubham, okay, thanks. Cool. Now what we have to do is, where is our Goose CLI? Retrofix, not retrofix. We want to give Divyanshu project, and here is our DevChat SDK. Here. Can you please make a... Okay. So we are making a DevChat SDK, which we want to use in our Expo app. There is a button which is called support button in our app. When we click on it, we want to show a style sheet. This style sheet will be coming when we trigger our DevChat SDK, which is this current project. So let's say we have like devchat.init or start command. we will trigger it when user clicks on this question mark button. And once this happens, we should show this style sheet sliding up, which will be part of our DevChat SDK. And I want you to add this code in this DevChat SDK. Plus, just add one single like line, welcome to DevChat SDK on it. And in case we need some kind of configuration for it, let's make that configuration changes, because we will be installing it in our different Expo app which we have in our system. Let's see how Grok works. Yeah, cause it's an app for an NGO where they want Google to just scan a QR code and get stored as an attendance in the database. Yeah, if you don't care about a lot of data which is coming and just one single node is what you need, I would say go for RTDB. Dundun, does Expo has great scalability? Scalability in terms of what? If you mean like code base scalability, how much scalability your code base maintainability can be, it's pretty good. I don't know like which kind of scalability are you talking about, because apps do not need the server kind of scalability. One thing is really good, that Grok is super fast. This Grok code fast is so fast. It does so many things. Also nowadays there's a trend going on Twitter. I have been noticing a lot of people or good developers like who are building apps with AI are moving out of AI. They have reached to this AI fatigue where they feel like it's easier and faster to just sit and code rather than just asking AI to do all the things. Even I feel sometimes that way, because there are sometimes very small things which I even ask AI to do, but AI will just write 10 different code, 10 different lines or 10 different files will be edited. I'm like, bro, we just needed one single line and we needed it here exactly. And then I feel like, oh, I have just increased my work. Now I have to delete what AI has done and just do it by myself instead of initially I would have done the same. But it's good. Like for example, now the task which I have given it to AI, the way it's working, I don't know what it is doing. I'm scared now. Like definitely this shouldn't have taken this much time. And what the hell? Expo DevChat SDK. Where is Expo DevChat SDK? It's open somewhere. Expo DevChat SDK here. Yeah, so it's been changing a lot of code. It will keep going. Fail to execute. Also, I'm scared like Goose doesn't take any permission. Also, it will not ask me to do any system commands. It can delete everything from my system, to be honest. This is the scary part about Goose, because I have given it autonomous. But I am just hoping Grok is not that stupid. Okay, so it says key changes now. Displays a sliding up view with customizable welcome text and background color. Includes a smooth slide up animation when visible. Positions off screen initially animates up when visible. DevChat module added a start. How to use it is usage in your Expo app. DevChat SDK, DevChat SDK, DevChat SDK. We have installed DevChat SDK. This SDK is currently in my local system. How to install in my Expo app? I don't want to publish it to use it. as we are in development phase right now. One thing I'm noticing with Goose is it's getting sluggish because too many messages are there, so their UI I think is not properly optimized. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure it's taking disk utility. No, what is that called? Process. I always forget the name. App. What? How to check RAM and process, man? What is that? Usage? I forgot the name of that. Which app in Mac tell about RAM network usage in percentage? It is native Mac app. Activity monitor. Shit. Thank you, Sam. Sam is faster than ChatGPT. Fuck. I always forget its name. Activity. I'm like process monitor, app monitor. So I'm pretty sure someone is hogging all the RAM here. Your system is too slow. Idle SSD. This is, I think this is Node is taking this much. OBS is taking one. Goose is taking one. Cursor is taking. All these Electron wrappers, you know, these are like RAM eaters. So Cursor is Electron. Goose is Electron. OBS, well, input output with the video makes sense. Even Expo Go, which is running in my this app, plus the Goose app. So there is one Goose helper, which is the Electron renderer, which is taking the most, 124 GB, 1.24 GB. Add the devchat SDK as a local file dependency. Dependencies devchat file user devchat SDK. Let's add it. Where is this? Please add this and install in our Expo app. Why is it taking so long, bro? Okay, install dependency. Run the following in your Expo directory. Rebuild the app. Important for native code. Since the SDK includes native iOS and Android, you need to rebuild the native project. Ouch. Wait. What I will do is clear nvm use 20 and then I can say npm install. What? What is this? I tried installing as npm install and got this error on my Expo app. Okay, Sam just shared another app for the day, which is columns.app. Columns.app. Even I don't know what does this app do. So guys, as Sam promised yesterday, every day he'll be sharing one cool app. Today's app is Columns app. So not a task manager, is a list manager. Wow. Mark Anderson cares about it. A16Z co-founder. Richard Branson uses it. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much for sharing this. This is cool. I mean, I want a kind of a listicle app. Login. Yes, I want to log in. To do watch list. Huh. Watch list. Add cart. Yes. Attack on Titans. Another is the Fireflies. What was the name of that movie? Fireflies. Fuck. What was that Fireflies anime? One Punch. So another was One Punch Man. One Punch Man. And where is it? Where is it? Shit. Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer. There was one movie someone mentioned. Grave of Fireflies. Yes, Grave of Fireflies. Then another one was Your Name. Your Name. So this is my watch list for anime. I should say what? But rename. Can I rename this? Anime watch list. Animes I want to watch. Oh, this is so cool. I will be using it. So every day we can write some to-dos here. Nice. This is such a cool app. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much. Just make list of things later. Super simple, easy, no app, nothing. Just a browser with one single board. Nice. We'll be using it a lot moving forward. Incorrect import for native use changed from Expo to React Native, required with the correct web component now updated. Devchat this dependency devchat, then run npm install. Okay, so this is already there. Let's try to do it again. Oh, it worked. Wow, this is cool. This is cool. And so if it worked, then what we can do is, there is another documentation which we have missed here. Grok is doing too much work, man, and a lot of it is like verbose. Why are they showing it on the UI? And so anybody so this is my advice, like anybody who wants to contribute on TypeScript project, then I would highly suggest this. Goose is new, it's active, so try if you want to contribute. And if you know, like Electron is not that hard, just try running it on your system. And I am the user, I can give you some like suggestions what features you can make. One of the feature you can request or make a PR for is, whenever we are running these kind of developer extensions, there should be a toggle that I don't want to see this, right? So there should be a toggle somewhere here that hide runnings tasks. I just want to see the final text message, like what I have sent and what the reply came. I do not want to see all this. This can be part of hidden somewhere, and there should be a toggle. Show it or don't show it. This will make life easier. Plus it will make the sluggishness which we are facing a little less, because there will not be like thousands of messages on this list. So anybody who is interested, this is a suggestion for which you can open a PR, and I think these developers would love. Plot. This is the documentation for the new dev chat SDK which we have installed. I want to trigger it when we click on the question mark button in the main screen of our app. Man, this is what I wanted. Love from my side, Sam. Yeah, this is cool. This is so cool app. I think sleepy time is coming. I'm feeling sleepy now. By the way, do you guys like blue light on the back, or the red is looking good? I changed it to red because I thought it would help me sleep better. I'm just tweaking these small changes because blue light not good, red light good to sleep. So just an experiment. By the way, I got my L-tyrosine today. Again, I was going through Reddit threads and someone said like it gave them some anxiety. They took like to 500 mg. So I'm like a little bit skeptical when to start it. I'm hoping to start it from maybe tomorrow. So yeah, Sam, I would message you tomorrow to get your take. How should I take it? Shubham, do you have more apps? Shubham, I think Sam will be sharing one app almost every day. Also, Sam is starting his own like a YouTube channel soon. And so yeah, we all can hang out there too once he starts going live. By the way, Item recently changed their icon. Now it looks pretty modern. Sam in the morning, Div in the evening. Yes. Yes. That's how we want it. But I don't know if Sam wants to do it in the morning. I don't think he'll do it in the morning. I don't know. The whole day productive. Sam will share each day if it helps. By the way, have people seen the new feature of Instagram Reels where you can see liked by friends Reels thoughts? That to me it felt in a way pretty neat feature. I personally liked it. Like sometimes I go to the friends feed and I see what some other people are sharing, and this makes me like and comment more. Like it increases my engagement because I feel like, okay, this is something my friends would relate to. So I like some content which I really like. I do not skip after watching something. I feel like, okay, because there is a friends feed, so there is a, what you can say, there is an incentive in my head that my friends would also like it. So instead of sharing personally to them, which can sometimes become very annoying, because I have noticed that if I'm going into that feed multiple times and are sharing like hundreds of reels, we do not see if we share with each other. And people who watch a lot of reels would relate to this. When your friends share hundreds of reels every day, it's impossible because you also have to watch what algorithm has prepared for you, and then there are these reels which your friends have shared with you. So I have like 5-6 friends who share like 10-20 reels every day, and it becomes so hard to watch everything. And even I do not want to spam them with so many reels which I like in my personal algorithmic session. So I feel this is a good way to show them, like instead of me personally going on send button and sending it to them, I can just like it or comment something on the reel which will technically be shown to them depending on their taste. So that's why I liked that feature. I can see divs like. Yeah. I'm Sam. Now next question, how many times did Darshana catch you liking other girls' pics? Never. I don't like such content. I hope she's not watching this stream. Okay, so our app is ready, but I think it will fail 100%. Alert doesn't exist. So it has done. So what we have to do is we have to do the npm run rebuild or pre-build, something like that. Run rebuild. Missing. What if she's watching? Then my gaming session will be over. Ah, where was that text? Guys, anybody who is a good TypeScript or Electron developer, please push some new changes on this app. I like it, but I am not liking it because of all these changes. I'll have to ask Claude. Hey, so I'm installing this new local SDK, which is called DevChat SDK. It has some native like iOS screens in it. To make it use in our current app, I have to bring the native code out. So please help me step by step how to bring the iOS native code out. I think there is a command called prebuild. I need to run that and I need to install the pods to make it work. So help me with the whole process because I have already installed the DevChat SDK. Sam, it's a messed up feature. Stalkers can easily misuse. Also, you can see if they made a comment. Insta app whole USP is stalking. Yeah, the use case which I said, yeah, it's technically stalking, but it also depends. Like I have publicly done the like, right, and you can always go and snoop on likes. So instead of not like, for example, if I want to snoop on what you are liking on, without this feature I'll have to use some external tools, and they will always be like algorithms or these bots will always be checking for content your like on any of those content. So technically I can know what you like because it's a public information. If you have clicked on like on somewhere, I find it like it's handy if they are giving it as a feature to the users what they're liking, because when I'm liking, I'm publicly admitting that yes, I like this, or if I comment, I'm publicly commenting. There is no feature of anonymity in the app. So that's why I feel like for me it feels okay feature. Like I generally do not go to the friends tab at all. Like maybe like once or twice in 2-3 days. Oh shit, I have to share some content to one of my friend. I'll do it after this stream. Sam, I'll tell you how I know of this feature. Oksana asked me why wasn't liking reels. I had no idea what she was talking about. Got interrogated about my secret accounts I'm using to like. Like what the so okay, so Oksana wants to know what you're liking. Nice. We can just quickly run a single poll. What is audience poll on this? Do you like Instagram friends feed feature? Yes, no. Sam, I'm not literally liking cats, food dishes, travel reels to not be interrogated. Salasta. Makes sense. Makes sense. Also, I think if someone wants to show some sort of like a different persona, that also you can do it. Like, uh, yeah, I don't, I don't know. Like, yeah, it's a psychological messed up thing which Instagram is doing. From the product perspective, the only thing which I can think of why they made it that way is because they want to increase the engagement rate from users, because they know most of the users do not like or comment. Like maybe like the percentage would be 80% users won't even like anything. There would be like only 20-30% people who really click on the heart, and they want to increase this number. And this feature makes sense because it gives every user an incentive that your like will be then on the friends feed. So if you like something, just like it so that your friends can also see. Perfect. Your native code has been successfully brought out. Here's a summary of what accomplished. The confirmed installed local dependency package JSON export prebuild successfully generated. Automatically installed during prebuild process. Dev chat is a TK. What was generated? iOS Android dev chat is properly integrated. Next steps: open the iOS workspace next code. npm run iOS export on iOS. Okay, let's do it. npm npm run iOS. Huh, this is good. Only one person likes it. Two people hate it or don't like it. We can't say hate. Let's see. I think we have made pretty good progress. We have a new Expo app today. We have added the button. We have changed the whole dialogue. And if it works in this linking process, the one downside of this is that we are using native iOS code in our Expo plugin. So it will only be working in iOS, but that's a problem for the future when we want to add this in Android. Then what I can do is I can add an Android view as well on this. That way we have like proper native views in this plugin for both iOS and Android. That makes more sense because technically I just have to update the one plugin. That's the only code base I care about. But yeah, that's a long shot. Maybe next 4, 5 or 6 months when I plan to launch more Android apps. Okay, so it's not that off. Some people like it, some people don't. I know people who have unfriended few friends cause they were liking some opposition political views. Shit. I mean, I never watch anything political on Instagram. Generally, like I avoid both like in Twitter or Instagram. But yeah, I can understand that. Yeah, some people cannot tolerate different opinions, fragile opinions. Okay, npm run start. What? There is a start command. npm run start. Use port. Yes, use it if you want to. No apps is connected. Why? Reload. What is that? Unable to resolve module. This. Right. Shite. Getting error once. Oh shit, where I'm writing. Uh, Getting error once I try to run the app with npm run iOS as unable to resolve. Shubham, thank you so much, man. Wow, so sweet. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shubham. I'll take a screenshot of this and store it. This means a lot. Module dev chat SDK. Could not be found within the project or in these directories. Getting error as could not be found within the project or in these directories. Let's see if Kimi K2 can do it. We have exceeded the time a little bit, but it's fine. Let's see if it can be fixed today, or we can just resume it tomorrow. But yeah, I felt like pretty good in this today's session. Too much productivity happened. We were not just talking, work was happening, and very fruitful conversations. I got to know about this new app, Columns app, also the animes which I have to watch. A good discussion around anime happened. So I feel like fruitful kind of a stream. The kind of streams which I really enjoy. It's one of those. Hey Blinken, we are just about to leave. How are you? No worries, man. Thank you so much for joining, and I really appreciate you join almost every day. I'll see you tomorrow, same time. If you have time, please join. Oh wow, how our poll has completely reversed. Now we have 67% saying yes. They like it. Blinken, I know it's okay. I had stuff I was doing with the fam. Makes sense, and I completely understand. We did talk quite a lot about animes, some work, some Instagram algorithms which have recently changed. So yeah, for me it was pretty fruitful stream. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just wrapping it up if I can like fix this error which we are getting. If not, then yeah, this is it for today. Swarit Awari. Hey Swarit, how are you? Welcome. Forgot me? Not yet. I remember you. I'm about to leave like in like 2 minutes maybe. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Shubham, bye. Bye, Shubham. And again, Shubham, thank you so much, man. This means a lot. We made the goal possible with this. Which was like today, like I just wanted to run this goal because my like YouTube AdSense got fixed. I got the physical pin if anybody who joined later. So yeah, that's why I wanted to like Just run that goal. Input is required. NP Expo is a non. Okay, bye. Bye, Surit. See you tomorrow, guys. I don't think this issue will be resolved easily. So I will continue looking into it. I also have some work after this stream. Like I have to upload some content to my friend, and he's waiting for that. I will have to watch the VOD. Nice, Blinken. Let me know if you like the VOD. I personally felt like today was really good discussions which we were having. Thank you. I have a physical AdMob pin. You have a physical AdMob pin, or you got it and you have already used it? Today I got it. Like I forgot where I have put the pin, but I have used it and my AdSense account is active on like the one which is connected to YouTube. So my memberships are resumed. I can do these super chats. Ads on my videos are up. Life is good. Life is good. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining today. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye bye.